Today's Dino Battle, Indoraptor versus Blue. What's going on, everyone? Welcome to Dino Battles, where we get to witness the most amazing prehistoric skirmishes the world has ever seen. Randy Raptor here, and with me today is our resident paleontologist, Pedro Panda.
Howdy how!
If you like duking dinos, be sure to bite, claw, and slash that subscribe button. Today we'll see the Indoraptor versus Blue the Velociraptor. But first we want to talk about the 2,000 plus subscriber giveaway. We here at PO's Play Lab really appreciate all the support we've received lately.
And as a token of appreciation to all of y'all, we'll be giving away a few Amazon gift cards on this channel.
In our next videos, we'll be flashing Amazon gift card codes on the screen.
Here's a demo.
Don't blink or you'll miss it. Only one person can activate each code.
So it would really help if you're subscribed and on the notification squad.
Don't forget to hit that bell to be notified when we post videos.
Be sure to watch until the end of the videos. We might hide a few codes there.
Now for the main event. This main event was requested by
Alex,
Danette,
Vicky,
Alex,
BDK,
Alejandra,
JK,
AR,
Branbuckets,
Donna,
and Zilla.
They all want to see the Indoraptor go up against Blue the Alpha Velociraptor.
It's our challenger, Blue.
Looks like she brought a human friend today, and he's packing some heat.
Good thing she did, Randy. Blue lacks much of the strength and size going into this match.
The Indoraptor, on the other hand, is genetically superior to a Velociraptor. It's much larger than Blue, but still extremely fast and agile. It's even rumored to be venomous. This seems like an unfair fight, if you ask me. Whoa! Was that a tranquilizer dart?
I believe you're right, Randy.
That might just be enough to slow down the Indoraptor to give Blue a fighting chance.
Though it looks like Blue has taken a lot of damage so far. Despite the Indoraptor being shot by a tranquilizer, Blue still has to be on the defensive.
That's right, Pedro, she better pick and choose her battles. This does not look good for Blue. She's capitalizing on her speed and agility to get away from the Indoraptor.
It looks like she ran herself into a corner though, so it wouldn't take the Indoraptor too long to find her.
Looks like Blue's setting up an ambush. And it connects. Amazing play by Blue. Blue wins. What's this? Blue goes down as well. What's going on?
I'm afraid the Indoraptor venom finally took Blue down. That sure was some potent venom.
If you like this video, please subscribe to see more Dino Battles just like this. Also, comment below with the hashtag subscriber request battle so that we can feature your battle in the next episode.